Okay, anyway, I decided to get up because we were snoring in the bedroom, and anyway. So I checked on my print out here. So this is 20% infill, I believe 50 millimeters a second. It's got some weird artifacts in it. Using the Sonic pad. It's not bad. Okay, and then next to it, this one's just running on the professional firmware. What do they call that guy? I don't know. Anyway, it actually looks pretty good. I guess I can see the two bottom marks on this one also. It's harder to notice with this filament, I guess. There's a little bit of squish there or something. So, I have not been able to get this to necessarily print much faster than this. But I mean, like, that's a reasonable print. And I know that this filament actually prints really well. And it likes the low temperature too, which is interesting. So this is PETG, I thought, but maybe it's not. It says it is. Then the nozzle temperature is different on here, 220 to 10. This says 210 to 230. Well, and then so maybe it's 220 plus or minus 10. It is, so that's going to be 210 to 230. Okay, so that makes sense. So anyway, that stuff I notice it prints very, very well. I don't know what these bands are, but anyway, this I gotta find some way to put this camera somewhere, like where it's actually gonna like work for me. Maybe maybe I can take my spool holder here that I'm currently not using and like insert it in between here and mount this thing on it somehow. I don't know, but so I'm trying to get these printers all like, printing good, really good. And I ordered some stuff for this one. I think it's going to be for this one. I ordered the Z-axis kit because what I don't like is you can just like move this thing at will. They're all like that. Now, I don't know. This one, a little more stable. The other one over here, I have not converted this one. I have the brackets to do it. I haven't had the time to do it. This one's actually loose right here. And even still, it's produced some decent prints. But, yeah. This one actually seems to be a little harder to lift up. But the thing is, with all of them, like other printers, you put pressure on them, they don't start to move down. Is that because there's dual lead screws? I think so. So I paid a few bucks more for ones that came with these particular Creality steppers. I didn't want something that was different. I noticed that I think these are really big. Look how big these damn things are. That's nuts. I don't know what number those would be, but they're definitely bigger. I wonder if these are using the same stepper. These look like, I don't know, I don't see a name or a number on them. To me, they look really similar to the Creality ones. Let me see here. So there's definitely different sizes for these. These are huge, though. I can't really see in here. I'm like banging into stuff with my head. I wish they had like markings on them so I could read what the number of the motor is. But I don't see anything here. If it did, it would probably be on the back there. But they definitely look a lot larger than these. So I should probably look and see what all the different stepper motors are. So this part here is shorter, so that's kind of interesting. Not something that you really like actually think about. I will take this here. It'll go like this, just really quick. Okay. Okay. This is for. Oh, okay. So from the bottom of this, I guess that's. Well, I'm just going to read to the 4. So it's like, it's basically just shy of 1 inch. So, yeah, they're taller by quite a bit. And these actually look like they could be the same as the other ones. In fact, they look like they might actually be taller than these. Come on. The damn thing's in my way. So, the Creality ones are taller than these ones. I don't know if I'm measuring it wrong, but anyway, these don't look that big, but and then these actually have, you know, the number on them so you can tell what they are. So anyway, my goal is to get these things printing really good, and then, you know, bump up the speed a little bit. Like, I would like to see the thing print at 150 millimeters a second. I don't know if that's doable. I'm not going to dump a bunch of money into it to do that. The reason that I am actually putting some money and time into these is because they were given to me and they were broken. And so that allows me to be able to not feel like I'm wasting money on a printer when I have, you know, other printers that are better. These are great. You're going to learn a lot if you modify one of these. So, I just like to tinker with stuff, so these are fun for me. So anyway, it's time for me to go back to bed. Catch you guys later.